Alright, hello to the warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review the project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable time. Now, as you can see, the website interface in my screen now, and the project's name is Pepa INU. First of all, in the website, you will get a disclaimer like their phishing warning. So obviously, you should visit their website. Like here you can see the domain. Alright, it's okay. So it's a Memecoin first of all, and it's built on Ethereum blockchain. So obviously, if you miss Pepa, obviously you should check this project. Pepa INU. It's an community driven Memecoin, by the way, which is amazing. If you look at like here, you get the chart of Aave, Dexto, NFT collections. If you look at the NFT collections, which is amazing. Right now, I think it's not available. If you look at their Telegram, also here you learn more like what is Pepa, the newest and the most exciting memes coin with a community-driven approach and a burning passion for memes. They believe Pepa INU is the next big thing in the meme market. Join them on this journey to revolutionize the world of meme coins. And let's go to the most of them. If you look at the tax, which is 2%, as a meme coin, I believe that it's alright. 2%, which is they will work it on marketing. If you look at the presale, which is int, right now you can buy it from Uniswap. If you look at the liquidity is locked, here you can see the audit report, also their total supply and their burning percent, which is 50%. And here you will get their contract address. Yeah, if you look at their paper journey, which is this is the roadmap of this. Like if you look on this, like they have a huge things in comments. Like if you look at the page 3, they are paper chain, liquidity locker, cross chain swap. And if you look at like their phase 2, like they are burning, decentralized exchange, paper march, paper news, paper project reviews. Also they are paper special or whatever you can see, which is amazing. If you look at the partners, like their partners like CoinMarketCap, Pinsel, BSC, Skins, Foodcoin, Dexto, PancakeSwap, Dexme, everything. Right now, about their partners, I wanted to say that it's built on Ether skin, I think, yeah. It's built on Ether skin, but why? I think it will launch on BSC skin also. That's why here you can see the partners of BSC skin in their side. If you look at their information about their content tab, like here we can see, and obviously here you will get their social links like their TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, their Meta, Pinterest, and their Reddit. And obviously here you will get their NFTs collections, also their whatever you can see, like here we can see their NFTs, which is amazing. If you look at, like this is the NFTs collections, which is literally amazing. And if you look at the price, it's not available yet. And if you look at the supply, which is 1,000 right now. If you look at the Ether scam, like their holders, which is 495 holders they have, and here you can something about their more information, like you will get their contract and whatever their transfers, their transaction hashes. So obviously you can check this out. Now let's check it out, their chart. First of all, if you look at the chart at the liquidity locked for 1 month, like the 99% liquidity locked for 1 month, by the way, if you look at. So obviously you can check this out for yourself on Unique. Here, if you look at the market cap right now, their market cap, which is $288, and here we can see the supply. And if you look at the price, which is we are in like we are in bottom, but it's pumping from this bottom. Right now, I believe they are liquidity locked for 1 month, so obviously it will be chance to up. I believe in from these ranges as soon as possible it will hit 1 million market cap. I think it's easy. Course is tips and community driven tokens. Obviously the team is push it very much. And if you look at the 24-hour volume as a new project, it's literally perfect, like 400k volume. It's not normal, guys. Hope you guys understand. It's very much potential as a meme coin. If you look at the community of they have on X, like their followers, it is 18,000. 18,000 plus. And literally, like if you look at their posters which they post on like 12 hours ago, like it will they are out applying to listed it on CoinMarketCap, and they are doing huge marketings, like as you can see, which is amazing. Yeah. So if you are interested in investing in the meme coins, obviously you should check this project. You can, but if you are interested in this project, so please make sure to do your own research. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.